Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a forward edge headlight assembly. First, make sure you have your tools ready, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening the hood of your forward edge. You'll see 2 bolts on top of the headlight assembly. These are your starting point. Next, gently remove the plastic trim piece located directly above the grille to gain better access. Now that you've opened the hood, proceed to remove those 2 upper bolts you identified earlier. These are crucial for holding the assembly in place. The next step involves a hidden fastener. You'll need to locate a bolt tucked away behind the wheel well liner. To access it, carefully pull back the wheel well liner, which will reveal this often overlooked securing point. With all the bolts removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components. Reach behind the headlight assembly and carefully unclip all the electrical connectors. Double-check that every single bolt is out before you try to pull the assembly. Then, with a gentle wiggle, pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward and out of its housing. To reinstall your new headlight, simply reverse these steps, making sure all electrical connections are firmly secured and every bolt is tightened. Before you put all the trim back, it's a good idea to test the new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. And hey, while you're upgrading, remember life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.